Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Dzakira Mumtaza. I'm from Class B Biology Education 2019 and with supporting lecturer is Mrs. Ruqoyyah Nasution. Here I will discuss material about threat to marine ecosystem. If we talk about threat to marine ecosystem, there are certainly many cases. But this time I will only discuss some the cases of threat to marine ecosystem. Marine ecosystem and aquatic habitat face a number of threats for humans. Serious conservation attention and effort should be drawn and directed towards restoration. Threats are manifold. This is overfishing, marine pollution, eutrophication, ocean acidification, and much more. Overfishing is occurring in 1/3 of world fish stock, according to a 2018 report by the Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations. In addition, industry observers believe illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing occurs in mass fisheries and accounts for up to 30% of total catches in some important fisheries, in a phenomenon called fishing down the food web. The mean trophic level of world fisheries has declined because of overfishing high trophic level fish. Next to marine pollution. Marine pollution results from the entry into the ocean of industrial, agricultural, and residential waste. Pathways for this pollution includes agricultural runoff into rivers and windblown debris and dust. The ocean-borne cloud, a layer of air pollution that covers much of South Asia and the Indian Ocean for several months every year, also hangs over the Bay of Bengal. Because of this cloud, satellites attempting to track ocean acidification and other ocean health indicators in the bay have difficulty obtaining accurate measure. Example, plastic pollution. Plastic pollution estimates suggest something like 9 million tons of plastic is added to the ocean every year. This plastic may need 450 years or more to biodegrade. Once in the ocean, plastic are surrounded by marine pivots into microplastic. There are no beaches where 15% of the sand are grains of microplastic. In the ocean themselves, microplastic float in surface waters amongst the plankton, where they are instead by plankton eaters. Next to eutrophication. Ever hear the phrase too much of a good thing? Eutrophication is a good example of this. When marine systems have too many nutrients flowing into them, the entire system suffers. These nutrients usually come from fertilizers used in intensive land farming, which are wasted into the sea. Extra nutrients in the sea can lead to excessive phytoplankton growth that result in blooms. When this large number of organisms have exhausted the nutrients, they die and are decomposed by bacteria that use oxygen. This led to a drop in oxygen levels, which other organisms such as fish rely on. This organism may also produce toxins that affect other marine life and humans. And last then, ocean acidification. Ocean acidification is the increasing acidification of the ocean, caused mainly by the uptake of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The rise in atmospheric carbon dioxide due to the burning of fossil fuels lead to more carbon dioxide dissolving in the ocean. When carbon dioxide dissolves in water, it forms hydrogen and carbon ions. This in turn increases the acidity of the ocean and makes survival increasingly harder for microorganisms, shellfish, and other marine organisms that depend on calcium carbonate to form their cells. Nah, from this discussion, we can find out some of the threats that occur in the sea which cause damage to the marine ecosystem. Remember, oceans are the source of life on Earth. They are the source of oxygen for us. Time has come to protect them and save them. Let's join hands to bring the change. That's the explanation for me. More and less, I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.